Grab your yarn and your crochet hook, it's time to make this solid granny square. We're going to start our project with a slip knot. You can do this however you feel comfortable. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain. Now we're going to chain 5. This will be our first double crochet plus 2 extra chains for the corner. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 2. The chain 2 is our corner. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 2. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 2 for the corner. Double crochet twice. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3, right here. Take your time and make sure you get it right. Chain 3 to start our new round. Double crochet twice into the corner space here. Chain 2 and double crochet into the same corner space. Now we're going to double crochet in the tops of each of the previous round's stitches. So place 1 double crochet into each of the stitches for a total of 3 double crochets along that line. So 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to double crochet 2 times into the corner space. 1 and 2. Now we're going to repeat this. Chain 2. This creates the next corner. Double crochet twice. And now we're going to double crochet into the tops of each of those stitches from the previous round to get 3 double crochets there. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now double crochet 2 times into the corner. Chain 2. And again, 2 double crochets into the same corner space. Double crochet into the top of the next stitches. That's 1. This is a second stitch. And this is a third stitch. Double crochet 2 times into the corner space. Chain 2. Double crochet 2 more times into that space. Now we're going to double crochet into the tops of the last 2 stitches of this round. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to finish off this round. There should be 7 double crochets per side of your square. Chain 3 to start the next round. Now we're going to double crochet into each of the previous round stitches. Place 2 double crochets into the corner. Chain 2. Double crochet 2 times into the corner space again. Now we're going to double crochet into the tops of each of the previous round stitches. There should be a total of 7 stitches in the round below. That means we'll be double crocheting 7 times. Add 2 double crochets to the corner space. Chain 2. Repeat the pattern and I'll meet you at the last chain 2 space before the end of the row. Chain 2. Double crochet 2 times into the corner space. Now we're going to double crochet into the tops of the previous round stitches. There should be 4 stitches here to double crochet into. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. Chain 3 to start the next round. Place a double crochet into each of the stitches from the previous round up into the corner space. There should be 4 stitches here to place a double crochet into. Double crochet twice into the corner. Chain 2. Double crochet twice again into the same corner space. Now we're going to be placing a double crochet into the top of each stitch all the way along that row. There should be a total of 11 stitches from the previous round that will need to be double crocheted into. Double crochet 2 times into the corner space. Chain 2. Repeat this pattern and I'll meet you at the last corner space before the end of the row. Chain 2. Double crochet 2 times into the corner space. Now there should be 6 stitches for us to place a double crochet into. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. And you're done. Cut the yarn, pull through, and now weave in your end. And that's it. That's our solid granny square. This is the second square in my series of granny squares. Follow along for more. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.